Hello and welcome back. I just found a cool website that will let you earn just by doing searches on the internet. Yeah, this is not clickbait and is not a scam. You will earn cryptocurrency just by doing searches like normally on you would on Google. So you have to go to presearch.org webpage. You have to sign up on their page and create an account. Afterwards, you will be rewarded for your searches that you make on their webpage. For each search, you will get 0.25 PRE. Let's check the value of 0.25 PRE into USD. So you will get $0.01 for each search you will make. Okay, and they say that you are capped at 8 PRE daily, so you can make up to 8 PRE each day. So let's check what's the maximum amount of money you can make. $0.25 per day. So this is not much, but if we check the price of PRE, it is extremely low right now. So yeah, I don't know if it goes up or it goes down from here, but if eventually it will go up, the tokens that you earn starting from now will be worth much more. So if you want to make some risks and earn some crypto for free, then you can sign up for this site and make some searches like you would normally do on Google. Just make them on pre-search website. So the idea behind of this is that this company collects the searches that you make and probably sells them to other companies. And this is a way they buy searches, buy that data from you. So data is very important for them. And this is a way they buy data from you. So this is why they pay you for making searches. So yeah, let's search Envato, and it directed me to Google, and my account increased. Let's search for CodeRevolution. And as you can see, my account grows. Just by doing searches like I would regularly do. Okay, so the idea behind of this is that you can make this kind of income, side income, and hope that the price of the token will go up. And if eventually it will go up, then you will be rich. Anyway, the graph for this doesn't look pretty promising right now because it is an extreme bear market on the cryptocurrency side. So yeah, we just have to hope for better for this token and make lots of searches on this website. So this video is for you guys that don't have an active income or want to get a small side income just by doing normal searches. You can sign up for this website and get paid for making searches online. Okay, I hope you will earn much on this website, and I hope this graph will go up after you will make many searches here. Yeah, okay, so this is all I wanted to tell you now. Bye bye.